So we all know that users use this search bar and then they filter down their results, right? So we're checking in some dates and everything, but we really don't ever know what the user is actually searching for. Well, here comes analytics. So we're able to actually store this information now in analytics so that we can pull reports and see what users are actually doing on your website. So what this does, it records what they put into the search criteria. It doesn't record their information or anything, but it records what they're searching for. So as an example, between November 1st and November 24th, there were 1,300 searches for the dog-friendly amenity. Huge in that destination. Private hot tub is next, private dock, private pool. And there's also combinations. So people want to see dog friendly and private hot tubs. That's another popular one, that particular combination. So as we drill down through here, we can also look at arrival dates. So these are the most popular dates that people are searching for between November 1st and November 24th. So a lot of them are looking to come in on January 17th, 597 to be exact. And you can see the amount of searches that are done. Number of nights, same deal. So most popular, 36% of the users search for a 3-night stay on this website. Bedroom size, we can also see the number of bedrooms that a user is able to, it looks for as soon as it loads. So most popular bedroom size is 1 by 35%. 4, 5, 6, 3, and it goes down in order. So you'll be able to see your inventory, see what people are actually searching for. Now here's the most important one, is the arrival date and the number of nights that are most popular for that arrival date. So again, that 117 was up at the top, and most users are searching for 3 nights. But I want to see what about 4 nights? Well, in analytics you can set up custom filters. So everything that's containing 2020 01 17. So I want to see that, and I want to see all of the number of nights that people search for that time period. So 3 nights is most popular, followed by 2, and then it drops way down, 4, 1, 5, and 8. So as we can see, a lot of people are coming in for that weekend, and they're looking for a 3-night stay. Do you have the inventory? Do you have that available? So that's up to you to decide and see, okay, well, I've got this many searches and I don't have much inventory. I need to up my inventory for that week. You can even do custom reports and cross-reference by bedroom size as well. So a lot of good features in here. And the ability to actually be educated about your guests looking on your site.